Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to prevent DaVinci Resolve from render crashing. If you've been working on a project and your render keeps failing midway through, this guide will walk you through 3 effective methods to ensure smooth, uninterrupted rendering. Let's dive in and get this sorted out. First, you'll want to open your DaVinci Resolve application and get to your project. Once you're in, we're going to explore 3 different approaches to stop those frustrating render crashes from happening. The first method involves tweaking your preferences. Look to the upper left corner of your screen and click on DaVinci Resolve. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Preferences. This will open up the settings window where you can customize how the software behaves during various operations. Once the Preferences window is open, click on the User tab to access user-specific settings. Here you'll find a variety of options that control how DaVinci Resolve handles different tasks. Scroll through the options until you locate the setting that says Stop Renders when a frame or clip cannot be processed. You'll want to uncheck this box. By doing this, you're telling the software to continue rendering even if it encounters a problematic frame, rather than stopping the entire process. After unchecking it, click Save to apply the changes. This simple adjustment can prevent many common render crashes. Now, let's move on to the second method, which focuses on your render settings. At the bottom of your screen, click on Deliver. This is the section where you manage all your export and rendering configurations. On the left side, you'll see the Render Settings panel. Click on Video to access video-specific options. Here, you'll notice a setting labeled Format with a drop-down menu beside it. Click on this drop-down menu and change the format to MP4. This format is generally more stable and less prone to crashing during rendering. Next, within the same settings area, click on File. Scroll down until you find Render Speed, which also has a drop-down menu next to it. Click on this drop-down and change the render speed to something like 75. Reducing the render speed gives your system more time to process each frame properly, which can significantly reduce the likelihood of crashes, especially if your computer is working with complex effects or high-resolution footage. The third and final method is a quick adjustment you can make directly on your timeline. Locate your video on the timeline, and you'll see 3 dots above it. Click on these dots to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, click on Updates during render, then select Off. This prevents the preview window from updating while rendering, which can free up system resources and reduce the chances of a crash. And that's it. You've just learned 3 practical ways to prevent DaVinci Resolve from crashing during rendering. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.